Hey everybody, my name is Robert. If you haven't been to the channel, check out my videos. But right now, I am right beside my 2022 Ford Maverick XLT Hybrid. And the reason why is because I got this guy, this mod. I want to shout out to DDS John Wynn about this thing. He actually donated to me so I could install it in my Maverick. So pretty cool. We'll be right back. I'll show you what this is. The channel. Alright, spoiler alert, I'm going to be installing a bedrug impact style cover for this bed here, and it's about a 4.5 foot bed. And the reason why I'm doing it is because you can see right here is exposed paint. I kind of wish I had the bedliner and didn't wish I didn't have the spray and bedliner, because there was actually a recall. I have a video up here you can check out to tell you why that is a problem, and still was a problem and is a problem, I should say. So anyhow, I went ahead and washed this truck. It's been a little over a month. I washed it nice and clean, and now I cleaned the bed here because it was dirty, exposed to the elements. Now I'm gonna go ahead and lay this down, but as you can see, this is paint. So paint doesn't have any protectant at all. So all scratches and everything can happen. If you had a spray and bed liner, it still wouldn't really protect it from dents or anything. So that's what that is. I'll show you how thick it is, and that'll protect it actually from impact, from dents, from drops, not just scratches. And so I'm going to open up the huge box and then see the contents on it. Okay, be right back. Alright, well that's pretty easy looking. Hard part is getting it out the box. So you have a kit. This one is a spray and bedliner kit, and the difference is because this one has adhesion promoter, because bedliner, spray and bedliners and other bedliners are a little bit not sticky, right, on purpose. So that's why you do that, to make it sticky, but I don't need that. I just need the hook and loops. So I got a little, what I gotta do is just use the Velcro, because I just have paint and these little dudes. And how long is this? I think this longer dudes is for that over here. See, you can see where the Velcro kind of sat, or is sitting, the other side of the Velcro. So you're gonna lay it down like that and then stick it in there. This little tabs, it looks like, so you could get sections of here. I'm laying it out in the sun a little bit to get a little bit more flatness, but you can see it's I think it's TPU. I don't know the material, poly or anything, but it's a little thick here. Say, well, you can see right there, I don't know, quarter inch thick. And then so it has some impact resistance. And then they added this part here, so if you have dust, dirt, it'll go through. It won't sink in the tailgate opening, which is what you don't want, right? You don't want your gunk in there. So you got that, so you can slide it over, wash it, or whatever. That's kind of smart. And then check out this part right here. So they made the bottom. See that? They made the bottom with the grooves. They matched the grooves of the bed. So that way it doesn't have like, here we have some vertical, horizontal traction. They could have traction left and right here. So you have that. Yeah, so I'm gonna lay this out in the sun a little bit longer so I can flatten it and then go from there. We'll install it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just wipe it down. I usually use this carpal eraser because it works really good. You can use rubbing alcohol, whatever you got handy. Truck. And let's wipe this down. Over here too. This spray sucks. Okay. So this bed tie here, it has on the bed rug itself, there's actually a slat opening, so you can stick that in there, and then you have that. You don't have to cut through the bed rug. I'm just putting this vertical so I can slip it through the line in preparation. I already got this pretty dry. I just washed it, so I don't think I have to worry about it being really tacky in here. It's paint, so there's no prep here, which makes it nice and easy. I'm just flattening it out. Then I'm going to strategically place, first of all, the Velcro goes here. Don't stick it on the truck, or you probably won't line it up right. Stick the Velcro here. And do that now. And put on the Velcro now here. That way, you know you got a perfect match. Alright, so put that there. Perfect match. That way when you peel this off, you just put pressure and it's on. Okay, so we'll do the same for the other side. What's cool, since it's removable, we can always remove it when we want and do our cleaning. It doesn't soak up mold at all. Here's a part number you could get. I'll link this on Amazon so you could see, or I'll link it where to get it, I should say. I'll put a link in the description where to get this guy, by the way. But let's put that there, so that's perfect. Now that's ready to go. Now we have these other Velcro spots. We're supposed to strategically place it. There we go. So definitely gonna get a corner. Whoa, this is tough. So a little bit. Yeah, you get that corner. Make sure we get a corner. So I'll put some over here, and it's flattening out right now pretty quickly, and then we'll stick it in the bed. Dude, where are you going? See the lines right there. That's what it's at. Dude. Where are you moving my stuff for, dude? Okay. All right. Can you help me, Jeremiah? That's it. Not bad. You want to get on it? Okay. Nice. All right. So I got the hooks there. I didn't have to do anything. If I would have had to remove it and maybe bring it down, but nope. Just go through the slats. It's all there. Anything needs to go through here, dust or whatever, goes through that. That is there. Now the tailgate's protected. The bottom of the bed is protected. Pretty cool. All right, thanks guys for watching. Big shout out to John Wen DDS. I'll put his information. You want to get your feet fixed? Go with this guy. He's an OC. Awesome guy. Check him out. Stay tuned for more videos. Any questions or comments, post below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get new notifications of videos. Thanks again. Peace out.